Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to set up 301 redirects in Cloudflare using page rules. Quick and easy. First, log into your Cloudflare account and select the domain where you want to create the redirect. Go to Rules in the domain dashboard, then click on Page Rules. Click Create Page Rule. In the URL field, enter the web address you want to redirect. Use asterisk if you want to cover multiple pages or a range of URLs. From the drop-down, choose Forwarding URL as the action, then select 301, Permanent Redirect. Enter the destination URL, the page you want your visitors to land on. Double-check for accuracy, click Save and Deploy. Your 301 redirect is now live, keeping visitors on the right page and preserving your SEO. And that's it. You've successfully set up a 301 redirect in Cloudflare. Keep your website smooth and SEO friendly.